Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by getting both devices ready, power on the Google Home and the Bluetooth speaker, and activate the speaker's pairing mode so it's discoverable. Open the Google Home app and make sure it's updated. The app discovers nearby devices and manages connections. Once done, select your home device in the app, because pairing happens through that device's settings rather than your phone's Bluetooth list. This avoids conflicts and ensures the assistant properly routes audio to the external speaker. Now dive into the device settings inside the Google Home app. Tap the home device, hit the gear icon, then open audio settings and default music speaker. Choose the option to pair a Bluetooth speaker so the app actively searches for devices rather than relying on system Bluetooth. When your speaker appears in the discovered list, tap it to pair. This links the home device to the speaker for media output. If you want voice responses also through it, confirm that option. Otherwise, only media will route there. Finish by testing playback. Ask Google to play music and listen for audio from the paired speaker. If you don't hear sound, disconnect and repair. Unpair the speaker in the Home app, reboot both devices, and run the pairing steps again. This clears transient Bluetooth issues. Make sure the speaker's firmware and the Google Home app are up to date. Mismatched software can block pairing. If problems persist, move devices closer, disable other nearby Bluetooth devices, and retry to eliminate interference.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.